many people, they still have the wrong concept. They thought this is medicine. Maybe I take three pills a day, 3 capsules a day, then I become very strong, I become very good at this other thing. It's not like that. It's not like that, okay. Dosage, there are 3 categories of dosage. Normal dosage for the normal cases, not serious cases. Dosage for serious cases, dosage for very serious cases, okay. Like normally for day-to-day operation, maybe we need to 3 capsules, 3 pair to 6 pair per day. That is enough. That's for this thing. Then when a person not feeling well, there are a lot of serious problems in the body, maybe they go for half mega dosage, 15 Rg and 15 GL. Half 15 Rg, 15 GL. Then the rest is very serious cases. They go for mega dosage, 30 Rg and 30 GL. So the dosage had nothing to do with disease. The dosage had everything to do with the condition of the body. So if the condition of the body is not too bad, I mean, okay, maybe 3 to 6 pairs a day. The condition of the body already become bad, it's 15 pairs a day. The condition is very bad, then you go for 30 pairs a day. So this is about dosage. It's not that, okay, diabetes, how many pair, hypertension, how many pair, heart problem, how many pair. It's not like that. This is not medicines. There are few spirulina company keep on attack our member. Okay, he said that our Ganoderma do not have amino acid, our Ganoderma do not have omega-3, omega-6, our Ganoderma do not have this what they call chlorophyll. Then I started to study spirulina very seriously, okay, of this allegation. Okay, we are scientists, no? Even though we compete with spirulina company, but we do not take spirulina as our enemy. Okay, we are scientists, so we study. The more we study, the more we fall in love into spirulina. Oh, it's very good food, you know. It's as good as this Ganoderma. Okay, then I started to order the sample. We order the sample from America, from Asia, like in Thailand, India. We even go to this Africa, you know. They have Salt Lake. They have this spirulina. We have import in so many species in Malaysia. Then not all of them are acclimatized to Malaysia government. So we cultivate in the lab. After that, we put into the pond, you know. And many they died. 90% but there's still a few survive, no? So this must be good spirulina. We accept it. We go to the lab again. We multiply again. We throw to the wall again. Hey, it's died again. So but the mortality become less and less. Eventually, fully acclimatized. So that in Malaysia, we inoculate in the spirulina. After 2 weeks, we can harvest every day for 6 months. No problem. That's why now it become very important a product in this thing. People asking me, why spirulina? Okay, because spirulina and Ganoderma, they are 100% complementary to each other. They do not repeat what they have. You see, spirulina do not have nucleic acid, but these Ganoderma are full of nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is very important for the cell function, everything. The polysaccharide of Ganoderma are high polymer. The polysaccharide of Ganoderma are low polymer. So when these two combine together, we have the whole spectrum of polysaccharide, now, from low polymer until the high polymer. So Ganoderma do not have this what they call protein. This one full of amino protein. Ganoderma do not have omega. This is full of omega. But spirulina, they may not have any nosins, they may not have so many type of product that Ganoderma is coming in. That's why we say that Ganoderma and spirulina, maybe Ganoderma is a king, then spirulina must be the queen. And when these two combine together, we have perfect food. That's why now we have so many beautiful testimony when these two are combined together.